We are taking R.D. Sharma solution, class 10 maths, chapter 8, exercise 8.7. Now there are three consecutive integers such that the squares of the first increase by the product of other two integers gives 154. What are the integers? So the question is that if we have to find out we have to write three integers. If one is x, one will be x plus 1 and other will be x plus 2. So the question says that the square of the first, that is x square, increased by, that is increased by, added by, the multiple of, that is the product of other two, that is these are the other two, multiply them, this is equal to 154. So this is how the equation becomes. This will be x square plus 2x plus x plus 2, that is equal to 154. So x square is 2x square, 2x plus x is 3x, and this is 2 equal to 154. Now bring 154 here, that will be 152 minus 152. Now this 152 into 2 is actually equal to 19 into 6. They both are same. So we can write in the place of 3x minus 16x plus 19x. So you can take 2x common from here, you get x minus 8. You can take 19 common from here, x minus 8. So what do you get? 2x plus 19 equal to 0 and x minus 8 equal to 0. So x will come as 19 by 2 minus. So we are going to not consider this, right? So x will be equal to 8. So x will be equal to 8. So one number will be 8, the other will be 8 plus 1, that is 9, and the other will be 8 plus 2, that is 10. This is how we get. We just we didn't take this number because minus 19 by 2 is not an integer. The product of two successive integral multiples of 5 is 300. Determine the multiples. So how to make sure that a number is a multiple of some number? If we have some 5x, then this is the multiple of 5. That means if we say 10, what 10 can be written as 5 into 2. If this is 15, 5 into 3, that is we are writing some number x as the multiple of 5. So 5x is the multiple, and the successive one will be, it will be not 5x, the next will be 5x plus 1. That is, if this is x, this is x plus 1. So these are successive number which are multiple of 5. So 5x and 5x plus 1. So when we the product of these is 300. So 5x into 5 into x plus 1 is given by 300. This will be equal to 5 5 is 25. Then we have x plus 1 equal to 300. This will become 25x square and plus 25x. I'm bringing 300 here, minus 300 will be equal to 0. Now divide both sides by 25. So you get x square minus x minus, now this will be 12. 25 into 12 is 300. Now what you can do here is, this is plus. 12 can be written as x square plus 4x minus 3x, because 4 minus 3 is 12. Minus 12 equal to 0. So you take x common, x plus 4. Take minus, you can take 3 common, minus 3. X plus 4. So x minus 3 and x plus 4 will be equal to 0. X will be equal to 3 and x will be equal to minus 4. So these are two numbers which you can use. These are the numbers which can be used for the finding out the multiple. So what is the multiple? If I take x equal to 3, 5x will be 5 into 3, that is 15, and the other will be 5x plus 1, that is 5 into 3 plus 1, that is 4, 5 4 is 20. So we have 15 and 20. If I take x equal to minus 5, what will be 5x? 5 into minus 4, that will be minus 20, and next will be 5 into minus 4 plus 1, means x plus 1. So this will be 5 into minus 3, that is next number will be minus 15. So these are two solutions, 15 and 20, and minus 15 and minus 20. Next question is, the sum of the square of two numbers is 233 and one of the number is 3 less than twice the other number. Find the number. So if one is x, the other will be x minus 3, because one number is twice, so 2x minus 3. One number is x, the other number is 3 less than twice the first number, and the sum of square is 233. X square plus 2x minus 3 whole square will be equal to 233. So we'll just open it. X square plus 2x square is 4x square, 3 square is 9, and minus 2 into 3 into 2, that is minus 12x. So this will be 5x square, this will be minus 12x, and this will be minus 233, being it here. 9 minus 2, 33 will be 224. Now we'll use the Sridharacharya formula, x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2. A is 5, b is minus 12 and c is minus 224. So you get x equal to 8 and x equal to minus 28 by 5. So once the number is x equal to 8, if you take, we'll take this one only. This will x equal to 8. So x equal to 8, what will be the other number? 2x minus 3. 2 into 8 minus 3, 8 to the 16, 16 minus 3 is 13. So one is 8 and other is 13. This is 13. Difference of two numbers is 4. That is, if x is 1, other is x minus 4. The difference of their reciprocal is 421. That is, 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 4 will be equal to 4 by 21. So here I have made a mistake. What is the mistake? See, if I take x 1 by x and 1 by x minus 4, this number is lower and this is higher. That is, the result should come in negative, but the result is not negative. So I have to shift this. I have to change this. That is, 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x will be equal to 4 by 21. This you have to observe that this is going to give you negative result, but the result is positive. So this formation is not correct. 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x equal to 4 by 21. Now take x here, take x minus 4 here, and then x minus 4 equal to 4 by 21. So I'll just open this. X minus x plus 4, x cancel. So 4, only this will be 4. And 4 is here also. So what you are going to get? 21 will be equal to x minus 4. That is x square minus 4x and 21 here equal to 0. So 21 can be written as 7 into 3. So x square minus 4x can be written as minus 7x plus 3x minus 21. Take x common, x minus 7. Take 3 common, x minus 7. So we get x minus 7 and x plus 3. So x will be equal to 7 and x will be equal to minus 3. So these are the required result. If x is 7, the other number will be x minus 4, that is 7 minus 4, it will be 3. If x is minus 3, the other number will be x minus the x minus of 4, so minus 3 minus 4, that will be minus 7. 7 and 3 and minus 7 and minus 3, these are the solution. Let us find two natural numbers which differ by 3. That is, if one is x, other will be x minus 3, whose squares have the sum 117. That is, x square plus x minus 3 square sum is given by 117. So what do we get? X square plus, this is x square plus 9 minus 2 into 3, 6x equal to 117. So what do you get? 2x square minus 6x, bring 117 here, minus, if you see, 9 minus 117 is 108. Now divide both sides by 2. So you get x square minus 3x minus 54 equal to 0. So this 3 can be written as, this is 6 times 54. So you can write x square minus 3x as minus 9x plus 6x minus 54 equal to 0. Take x common, x minus 9. Take 6 common, x minus 9 equal to 0. So x minus 9 and x plus 6 is the solution. Factors, x equal to 9 and x equal to minus 6 is the solution. But because it is a natural number, we will just discard this. We will use x equal to 9. So if is x equal to 9, x minus 3 will be equal to 9 minus 3 is 6. So 6 and 9 are the solution. The sum of squares of 3 consecutive natural number is 149. That is x plus 1. The consecutive numbers are x plus 1 and x plus 2. So the sum of all these is given as 149. So what do we do? We just open this. This is x square. X plus 1 whole square is x square plus 1 plus 2x. X plus 2 whole square is x square plus 4 plus 4x. So this will be 3x square. This will be 2x plus 4x is 6x. Bring 149 here. It will be 1 plus 4, 5. So 5 minus 149 will be 144. Now divide whole equation by 2. You get x square minus 2x minus 48. Now 6 8s are 48. So 2x can be written as x square plus 8x minus 6x minus 48. Take x common here. So x plus 3, x plus 8. And take minus 6 common here, x plus 8. So x plus 8 and x minus c, these 6 are the the factors. So minus 6, this x plus 8 equal to 0, x minus 6 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 8 and x equal to 6, these are the values. These are the roots. Now we have to find out consecutive natural numbers. So x equal to minus 8 is not a natural number. So we just discard this. So if x is 6, what is x plus 1? It will be 7. What is x plus 2? It will be 8. So 6, 7, 8 are the consecutive numbers respectively. Sum of two numbers is 16. The sum of their reciprocal is 1 by 3. That is x, one is x, the other is 16 minus x. The sum of their reciprocal is 1 by x plus 1 by 16 minus x will be equal to 1 by 3. So what do you get? Take 16 minus x here, and multiply x and 16 minus x. This gets cancelled. Now 16 into 3 is 48. This will be 16x minus x squared. So bring this all here. So it will be 16x, x square minus 16x plus 48. So x square minus 16x plus 48. 16 can be written as 12 into 4 because 12 into 4 is 48. So minus 16 can be written as minus 12x minus 4x. Take x common from here, x minus 12. Take minus 4 common here, x minus 12. So to get x minus 12 and x minus 4. So x will be equal to 12 and x will be equal to 4. The sum of two numbers is 16. So one is 12, the other will be 16 minus x. That is 16 minus x will be equal to 4. And if x is 4, so 16 minus 4 will be equal to 12. So 12 and 4 and 4 and 12, these are the ordered pairs of the solution. Determine the two consecutive multiples of 3 whose product is 270. So two consecutive multiple of 3, one will be 3, other will 3x, the other will be 3x plus 1. Right? This is what we have seen in the previous discussion of 5, the multiple of 5 also. Because any number you take, you have to multiply it by 3 to make it a multiple of 3. So 3x and 3x plus 1 are the two, say, multiples of 3. And whose product is given by 270. So what will be the product? 9x. Just multiply this. This will be 3 3 is 9, 9x. 9x into x is 9x square. Then we have 3x plus 3, so it will be 3x. Bring 270 here. So this will be 270 equal to 0. Now this will be 3x square. 3 is 9. So 9x square, and then we have 9. Here also 9x. So let us divide whole by 9. So x square plus x minus 9, 3 is 27. 9, 3 is 27, so 30 will be 0. 9 divided by 9, 9 divided by 9. So x square minus x square plus x minus 60. 60 can be written as 5 into 6. So this can be written as x as 6x minus 5x. Take x common from here, x plus 6 will remain. Take minus 5 common from here, x plus 6 will remain. So what do you get? X minus 5 and x plus 5. So x will be equal to minus 6 and x will be equal to 5. If you take minus 6, the numbers will be 3 into minus 6 and 3 into minus 6 plus 1. So this will be 3 into minus 6 is minus 18 and minus 6 plus 5 is minus 5. 3 into minus 5 is minus 15. So these are two numbers. If I take x equal to 5, it will be 3 into 5 and 3 into 5 plus 1. So 5 is a 15 and this will be 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 is 18. So minus 18 and 15 and 15 and 18 are the solution. The sum of the number and its reciprocal is 17 by 4. Find the number. That is x plus 1 by x is 17 by 4. X plus 1 by x. This is a number. If we assume x to be number, 1 by x, that is the reciprocal of the number is 17 by 4. So what do you get? X square plus 1 by x will be equal to 17 by 4. Multiply it here, multiply it here. 4 into x square plus 1 will be equal to 17x. So 4x square plus 4 equal to 17x. Bring it here. So 4x square now minus 17x plus 4 equal to 0. So this is 4 into 4, 16. 17 can be written as 16 and 1. 4x square minus 16x minus x plus 4 equal to 0. Take 4x common, x minus 4. Take minus 1 common, x minus 4 equal to 0. So you get 4x minus 1 and x minus 4 as the factors. So here x will be equal to 1 by 4. By this x will be equal to 4. So these are the solution. If you take 4, other will be 1 by 4. If you take 1 by 4, other will be 4. A two-digit number is such that the product of its digit is 8. That is, if we have a two-digit number, that is, say, if you have, say, 69. Now this is a two-digit number. How do we write it? We write it as 6 into 10 plus 9. That is 10 into 6 plus 9. So if this is x and this is y, first number is x, second number is y, we can write every number of two digit as 10x plus y. Okay. So the two digit number is such that the product of its digit is 8. So we have x into y is 8. These are the two numbers. So y can be written as 8 by x. When 18 is subtracted from the number, that is, if you subtract 18 from the number, the digit gets interchanged. Okay, subtracted from the number. The number is 10x plus y. So 10x plus y. 10x plus y. If 18 is subtracted from this number, you get digits interchange. So 69, 96 will be written as what? 9 into 10 plus 6, that is, this will be 10y plus x. So this will be equal to 10y plus x. Now what you are going to do here is write 8 by x for y. So 10x, now I am writing 8 by x for y. 8 by x minus 18 equal to 10 into 8 by x plus x. Now multiply both sides by x. You get 10x square. Here x will be cancelled, so plus 8 and minus 18x equal to this x gets this x gets cancelled with this one. So you get 80. 10 y is 8 by 80 and then you have x square. Okay, so now bring all here. 10x square minus x square minus 18x. Now bring this here. This will be 8 minus 80, that is 72, minus 72. So this will be 9x square minus 18x minus 72 equal to 0. Now divide both sides by 9. This will be x square, this will be 2x, this will be 9 8 is 72. So this 8 is, you can write it as 2 into 4. So x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. Take x common, x minus 4. Take 2 common, x minus 4 equal to 0. So x minus 4 equal to 0 and x plus 2 equal to 0, because the factors will be x plus 2 and x minus 4. So here you will get x equal to 4, x equal to minus 2. Minus 2 we cannot take because a digit cannot be in negative. So x equal to 4 is the first digit. And what is the second one? 8 by x. Y is 8 by x. So 8 by x is 8 by 4, that is 2. So the number is 42. A two-digit number is such that the product of their digit is 12. Same thing we are going to do. Same thing. That is x into y. If I take x as the first digit, y as the second digit, x into y is 12. So y will be equal to 12 by x. When 36 is added to the number is what? 10x plus y, right? We already did that. I already explained you, it is 10x plus y. So 10x plus y. So if 36 is added to this number, 36 is added to the number are interchanged. That is, it will be 10 y plus x. Okay. So let us put y equal to 12 by x here. This will be 10x, y will be 12 by x, and 36 is added. Then this 10, y is 12 by x plus 36. Multiply both sides by x. So you get 10x square plus 12 plus 36x plus 1 equal to 120, because x will be cancelled, and 36x. So this will be 10x square, and we have 10 into 12 and 10x square. So 10x plus y, when you multiply it by x, you get x square here, and then multiply by x, you get x square here also. So this will be x, you get x square here. So 10x square minus x square, I am bringing this here. This we have taken. Then we have plus 36, and then we have 120, 12 minus 120. That is, you are going to get 12 minus 120, that is 108. You get minus 108 equal to 0. 9x square plus 36x minus 108 equal to 0. Divide both sides by 9. So x square plus 9 4 is 36. 4x minus, now 9 into 12 is 108. So we get equation as x square minus plus 4x minus 12. 12 can be written as 6 into 2. So 4x can be written as x square plus 6x minus 2x minus 12. Now take x common here, x plus 6 will remain. Take minus 2 common here, x plus 6 remain. So what do you get? X plus 6 and x minus 2. X plus 6 and x minus 2. So this will give you x equal to minus 6. This will give you x equal to 2. Okay. So the digit cannot be negative, so we'll just discard this. So digit will be 2. So if x is 2, what will be y? Y is 12 by x, 12 by 2, 6. So you have number as 26. A 2-digit number is such that the product of the digit is 16. Same thing, x into y is 16. So y will be equal to 16 by x. If 54 is subtracted from the number, 10x plus y is the number. If the first digit is x and second digit is y. So if 54 is subtracted from this number, the digit interchange, that is, it will be 10y plus x. Same thing. Now we are going to put this 16 by x here. In this place, 16 by x here, multiply both sides by x. Ultimately, you will get an equation like x square minus 6x minus 16. 16 can be written as 18 to 2. So x square minus 8x plus 2x minus 16. Now take x common here, x minus 8 will be there. Take 2 common here, x minus 8 will be there. So the factors will be x minus 8 and x plus 2. So you get x equal to 8 and x equal to minus 2. Minus 2 cannot be a digit, means here you cannot take a negative value here. So x will be 8. When x is 8, what will be y? 16 by 8. That is 2. So the number is 82. X is 8, y is 2. So these were the question and answer of 8.7. We'll be taking one more. Till then, thank you so much. Take care of yourself.